Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have HardReset application and I'm going to show you how can you easily customize sounds of this browser. At first we have to click on this HardReset logo at the bottom and then click on settings. Here as you can see we can open browser sounds, and if we select GX or any other that we have downloaded from mods, we have to click on this three dots over here. Now we have to click on customization, and here we can disable sounds for home, disable sounds for tab opening, tab closing, all tab closing, and switching. If you want to disable almost everything, we just have to click on this option. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.